Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to speed up our Telegram downloads in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. The first step is to ensure that you are using a fast and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you're using mobile data to download the videos, switch to a Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi can be more stable and faster. Also, if you have a 5 GHz Wi-Fi option, make sure you connect to that for the best possible results. First, open the Telegram app. Once it is opened, go over to the Telegram app settings and find an option called Data and Storage. And click on it. Under Storage Usage, click on Clear Telegram App Cache. Clearing the cache can solve all sorts of bugs and problems related to your app, including slow download speeds. So make sure to clear those cache files. Another effective way to boost your download speeds is by upgrading to Telegram Premium. With Telegram Premium, one of the features offered is faster download speeds. Telegram has some limits on the download speeds when you try to save a photo or video, but with the Premium upgrade, those limits are removed, significantly increasing your download speed. And that's how you speed your Telegram download. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.